Hi, it's Jochen, the online agent. And in 2021, Apple introduced a new policy with respect to the iOS 14, which meant that their security is a lot more tightened, which in turn prompted companies like Facebook, etc., to need to take additional steps. One of these steps that impacts us for our digital marketing efforts is that we now need to verify our domains when we want to do Facebook advertising so that these can be displayed on Apple iOS devices, also known as iPhones. There are 3 different ways how you can do that, and I'll show you all 3 of them. Which of those then you do doesn't really matter, it's your choice. To verify your domain, you have to go to the Facebook Business Manager, and there under Brand Safety, you find one tab called Domains. That's where you can verify that these domains that you're advertising on actually belong to you, so that once verified, Apple allows these ads to show. There are 3 different methods how to do that: DNS verification, HTML file upload, and meta tag verification. I'll show you all 3 of them. You don't have to do all 3. You choose one, the one that's easiest for you. One is enough, but for the purpose of this course, I'll show you all 3. Let's start with DNS verification. What it says here to do is to add a text record in your DNS configuration. So we will copy this text here to the clipboard. Then you have to go to your hosting provider, and whatever it is, it might look slightly different than mine. Some have cPanel, some don't, but I already shown you how to find the DNS panel in a previous section. So you just go to your DNS. In my case, the DNS zone editor is here. It tells us to add a text record. Name can either be add or blank, depending on your provider. TTL doesn't matter. 1 hour is fine. And I'll just paste that volume here and click on create, and we're already done. Text record is created. Now we just have to wait maybe 2-3 hours until it's propagated on the internet for it to become visible in Facebook. The second method is HTML file upload. Here, Facebook asks you to download this file. Just click on the download button, and then you go to your domain. If you use WordPress, you log into WordPress. If you have FTP, you can use FTP, but you can also use it in the file manager of your domain provider as well. In my case, this is up here. For you, the navigation could be different, but I'm sure you can find the tab called File Manager, and it asks us to put this file into the root. We just go to File Upload and upload. File uploaded successfully. And then you have to go back to Facebook and confirm that the file upload was successful by just visiting this link here, and then Facebook will know that this file has been uploaded successfully. Method number 2, done. And method number 3 would be meta tag verification. This will ask you to copy paste meta tag into your homepage. We copy this to clipboard. Again, this might look differently for you depending on which template you use. If you're using ClickFunnels, you can just post it into the settings area, exactly the same way like with Facebook. So here on the top for the account, up here in blue, under add tracking code, you have to paste what you have just copied from Facebook, and you're done. Save this, save settings. Or if you use WordPress for your website, then you can also do it here. I use one plugin called Insert Headers and Footers to make this kind of job very, very easy. If you use the same plugin, then under settings, there will be a Insert Headers and Footers, which looks like this, where you can just paste all these scripts in, like the Facebook pixel code, for example. And then you just paste this meta tag in here, save it, and you're done with method number 3. So as a quick recap, you can do either DNS verification or HTML file upload or meta tag verification. One of them is sufficient. All 3 are quite simple to do and fast. After you have used any of these 3 methods, then the final step is to click this green verify button here. If you use DNS verification, you have to wait a few hours until it's propagated. For the HTML file upload, if you have visited this URL, then it knows it's more immediate. Then press the green verify button to complete the step and your domain is verified. Facebook will happily verify your domain that it actually belongs to you. And then Apple will also display your ads without any issues on the iPhone iOS 14 and beyond. I'll see you in the next module.